In a previous video, we demonstrated doing a 1/2 inch overlay on a face frame cabinet using the 110-degree straight arm hinge from Blum, along with a 3mm face frame plate. Well, today in the video, we're going to remove those hinges, and we're going to use the Blum Compact 30C to get the 1/2 inch overlay. So step one, let's get the doors off. And we need to remove the hinges. We're going to plug these holes because we can't use them. The boring distance is 5mm from the edge of the hole to the edge of the door, and with the compact series of hinges, it is important to have a 3mm boring distance. And now we're going to drill new holes on this part of the door. Let's talk a little bit about the holes that I just drilled. You'll notice here we have a 3mm boring distance from the edge of the door to the edge of the hole. And that's what we need to accommodate these compact hinges from Blum. Now this is a clip hinge, so that means the plate is separate from the hinge, the plate that attaches to the cabinet. And right now we're going to attach the plate to the cabinet, but first we got to remove those adapter plates. Let's take a close look at this hinge. It's a compact 30C, and it has a clip plate. So we're going to remove the plate. There. The hinge and the mounting plate. And what I have done is I took another hinge apart so that all I have is the plate. And the plate is what I use for a jig to line up my, to pilot holes for my hinges wherever I want them. Now I'm going to pilot for the screw holes by using the mounting plate that comes with the hinge. And I'm using a 3mm Vicks bit. I'm going to remove the mounting plates from the hinges. And then attach the mounting plates to the cabinet. Blum is modifying this compact clip series of hinges to come without the pre-mounted attachment screws. And I'm pretty happy about that. The next step is to attach the compact hinges to the door. And we have to remember that this drilling distance here is 3mm from the edge of the door to the edge of the hole. That's on all compact hinges. So we're going to put those in. This hinge also comes with dowels so you can use an insertion machine. The video you're watching right now features the 30C series of compact clip hinges from Blum, and it's available in overlays from 5/16 of an inch up to 3/4 of an inch. The 31C version of the compact hinge is available in overlays from 1 inch all the way up to 1 9/16 inches. All of the available overlays follow the same instructions as what you're seeing in this video today. The clips are attached to our face frame cabinet, Now we're going to attach the doors to the cabinet. That went on pretty easy. Now let's look at some adjustments. There are some nice features built into this compact hinge. In the cup itself, there's an on-off switch to engage and disengage the soft close feature, what they call Blumotion. And on the hinge arm, we have a three-way cam. You have adjustments here for left and right, adjustment for up and down, and adjustment for in and out. You'll notice there's quite a large gap here behind the door on the compact hinge, and there is an adjustment to reduce the amount of gap. Now, let's just see if we can notice that. That's the top hinge, and that's the bottom. Now let's take a look at a drawing and see all of these features so you can actually visualize them in a drawing. Our hinge is right in the middle of the drawing, and the mounting plate that separates from the hinge arm is in blue. And you'll notice that there are hooks on the mounting plate that wrap around the face frame. That is designed for a 3/4 inch thick face frame, as you can see in the drawing. Then you get a nice fit on the frame. Also, if you look at the drilling distance from the edge of the hinge cup to the edge of the door, the diagram shows 1/8 of an inch boring distance, or 3 millimeters. With the compact series of hinges, that is your drilling distance. And then another feature is the gap. It's quite large on almost everybody's compact hinge. And there is some adjustability on it, and you can see that in the drawing as well. Well, I hope you've gotten some benefit from this video. And if you did, give us the thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe. And thanks again for watching.